Alright guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Boris. Today we got a special video for you guys here. I just picked up this Mercedes at the auction yesterday, got home pretty late. So I actually have not even started it or really got to check it out at all. It was dark by the time I got back home. So it is a 300D diesel. It's got a 5-cylinder diesel engine in it, and I'll switch the camera around and show it to you guys here. So here she is. Technically I only paid $400 for this, although after the auction fees it came up to $588. There is a little bit of accident damage on the other side. I'll show that to you guys in just a little bit. I left the straps on this side because I wanted to show you guys that are interested in hotshot trucking. If you don't have any car straps, you can still secure a vehicle with your straps that you would normally use. What you want to do though is make sure the ratchet is on the front side here, and in the back your ratchet is on the back side. And that is important because you're always going to put a lot more pressure on this side versus that side, and you want them to cross over like that. And I've done that a few times, never had anything come loose. I've seen other people do it, it works pretty well. Obviously I would recommend getting some car straps if you're gonna haul a lot of cars, but that stays on pretty well, works pretty good. If you're only occasionally doing it, I'll probably be ordering some car straps myself here pretty soon. But yeah, back to the car here. We'll do a quick walk around and I'll show you guys the damage on the other side. This is why I got it for so cheap. It also does have 357,000 miles on it. But overall the body is in pretty good shape, except for right here. Obviously it's gonna need a new front quarter panel and turn signal light. And I think this part is just rubber, so I think the bumper is still good. Engine overall looks pretty clean. It has a new battery in it. Like I said, I have not started it yet, but I'm hoping I can drive it off the trailer. They did say it runs, and it looks to me like this car was a daily driver that has been pretty well maintained up until it got totaled by the insurance company because they figured it'd be too expensive to replace this. So yeah, we'll go ahead and take these straps off and then we'll jump in here and see if she'll fire up. I have checked the fluids already, everything looks good, so yeah, we'll see. Alright, we are inside. Like I said, this is gonna be the first time starting this one, so we'll see how it goes. Look light is coming on right here, so that is good. Okay, it just went off. I'm gonna cycle it one more time. Wow, look at that. She fired right up. First try. That is pretty cool. Just hesitating a little here. Let's give her a little gas. I'm just getting on the throttle a little bit here. I have no idea how long it's been since this Mercedes has been sitting. Let's see, it does have the higher idle adjust here, so I can see if I can turn this up a little. There we go. It's sounding good now. Look at that. 1980 5-cylinder diesel engine, naturally aspirated, non-turbo. Probably being the first start in who knows, at least 6 months I think. Let her warm up a little bit and I'll drive her off the trailer. Alright, Alright, so I did tear up the tires a little bit, but I have not driven this car on here. Obviously, as that was the first start, they forklifted it on the trailer when I went to pick it up. So hopefully this is not too steep of an angle. We'll see. I don't have a stand to put the camera down, so I'm just gonna drive it off, and we'll park it over here. Hopefully it all goes well. And yeah, I will have more videos coming on this Mercedes. I plan on doing a complete restoration on it. Obviously it's gonna need a little work, but overall what I'm really happy about is the engine seems to sound pretty good. We're gonna do some testing on it before you know, I start a restoration, and make sure everything works out, make sure it drives good, the transmission is good, everything. But like I said, I believe this car was like a daily driver up until the accident, so I feel pretty confident about it. It's got newer tires on it, it's good treads, newer battery. Like, looks like someone has actually maintained this, unlike a lot of these older Mercedeses that have just been sitting in someone's yard for who knows how long. And the engine probably still runs, but it's gonna need a lot of other work. So I think this is a pretty good example I picked up. I'm pretty excited about it. There will definitely be a whole bunch of videos coming on it, on the restoration on this. I also have another 240D sitting in the shop here, just behind me. So I'll be gonna work on that one too. And then we'll have another video coming up on my red truck right here. This one you might have seen in my one of my other videos. It needs the transmission rebuilt. That's the G56 manual. So we're gonna try and do that myself, shoot some video on that, and let you guys know how that goes. There's one more thing actually I want to check out on that before I do that, but there'll be a video coming up on that. And also my Jetta right here, it's a diesel and it's getting close to 275,000 miles almost, so I'll be doing a review on that one as well. So if you're interested in diesel cars and trucks, definitely subscribe to the channel. There'll be a lot more content coming. If you're interested in hotshot trucking, there's going to be more content coming as well. I just got my safety audit done for the DOT. If you start your own business, you have your own MC number, you're gonna have a mandatory DOT safety audit within the first year of starting your business. I have been in business almost a year now, and I just did mine, so I'll be sharing my experience on how that went with you guys in another video here coming up pretty soon as well. So please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this, and yeah, subscribe to the channel if you want to see the rest of the videos coming up. And thanks everyone for your support.